Very often when we're doing this process, we start with this idea of understanding our self-identity. And this is in the title of our class, our organization. It's self-identity through hooponopono. So who I am, my identity as a being in the cosmos, a unique being with a path, with a purpose, with things that I only can do is really this gift from divinity. Who I am is this gift. So how do I experience that? How do I get to this appreciation and understanding of who I am? So it's self-identity, knowing who I am through doing this process of cleanings, this repentance, this forgiveness, and then ultimately transmutation. So it's saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and I forgive you. So that's the repentance, forgiveness. And then we petition to divinity, and then we get these things that happen because of divinity is willing to clean and transmute. So here I am as an individual sitting here in my home space, my office, and I'm cleaning with this idea of Japan. I'm cleaning with my memories of Japan. So who am I in relationship to Japan? Who am I in relationship to each one of you, your family, relatives, and ancestors? So it is essential for me to do my cleaning when I'm coming to see you, because this is the opportunity. You're going to be here right in front of me. And I can say, oh, who am I? I am part of divinity. And who are you? Oh, you also are experiencing divinity. So we can experience together this sense of peace and love, because each of us comes willing to do the cleaning. Now you might say, well, you've been doing this 40 years and I just started. But you and I, we are exactly the same, because here in this one moment, this instant, you and I both have this opportunity to say, whatever I'm experiencing, I can clean. So I, as a 40-year veteran of doing this, I'm no different than any of you. And this is one of the reasons Morna, our founder, Morna Nalamaku Simeona, was able to do this, is to give each one this opportunity, this gift, to be able to do this for ourselves, to clean, to be with divinity in a moment. So it doesn't require some senior advanced person that's been doing it 40 years to do it for you. No, each one of us has a choice to say, oh, I'm experiencing fear, depression, anger. I am uncertain about my future. I don't know what I'm doing. And each one in that moment can say, oh, but I can clean. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. And that's a beautiful thing. And we can let go of that feeling of I'm uncertain and I'm fearful. Because very often when we are certain, I know what's going on, I've figured it all out, we're holding on to that idea of being certain that we understand what's going on around us, who's doing what and why. That's putting a chokehold on this divine flow of infinite gifts and energies. So, your choice. Stay stuck in I'm afraid, I'm uncertain and afraid, or stay stuck in I know what I'm doing and oh, I'm isolating myself from divine flow. So both of those are out of balance. And so for me, I'm coming to this moment as each one of you saying, I don't know, I have no clue what's going on, and that's great. And now I can clean with whatever I'm experiencing. So care for self, always so important. and self introspection. What's going on in me that I'm experiencing this sense of fear or loss or isolation? And so, this idea of we are none of us alone when we are connected to divinity is so, so important, because we can all experience that infinite joy and love that can be every moment